Hello, this is a video tour of 725 Taraval. This beautiful unit comes with laundry and parking and a wonderful light-filled space. Okay, here we are, unit number 5. You walk in and here is the common area of this apartment. You have a very large living room, dining room combination. You have the convenience of having a wonderful grocery store right across the street. Double pane windows, hardwood floors throughout. Lots of natural light. Okay, there's the entrance. You have a doorbell system there to buzz people in. This is a great bonus room. So this would make a wonderful home office for those of you who are still working from home. There is a nice closet here. There's one as well as a nice bar. That would make a great coffee bar or wine bar. Okay, here's the kitchen. You have a dishwasher, range, refrigerator. Here's the first bedroom. It's pretty sizable, located off the street. You do have a window here and a nice big closet that goes all the way down. Okay, so there's where the furnace is, a light in the hallway, nice half bath here, and you have your toilet tucked away in the back. And it's convenient to have that sink and mirror in there as well. Here is the second bedroom, again off the street. Each bedroom has very large closets, so no shortage of closet space in any of these rooms. Full bathroom here. You have a bathtub and shower combination with sliding glass doors. You have your vent up top. Private laundry machines, which is a fabulous amenity. And here is the master bedroom. This is a large bedroom that faces the back of the building. There is a second egress through that door. Here's the view through the bay window here. And there's the second egress. Nice big closet. And here is the ensuite bathroom. You have a nice big sink. There's your toilet, tub and shower combination. Nice big shower head. And there you go. This is an amazing space located in a very convenient location. If you're interested in this unit, please go to rentalsnsf.com. Thanks.